In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you fix WhatsApp account temporarily banned. Now this mainly happens due to you violating the community guidelines of WhatsApp, and whenever you are temporarily banned, you get this message right inside of your WhatsApp, which you can easily follow through by tapping on the check review status option. And by the way, if you are using other unofficial apps such as GP WhatsApp or other automated tools, you need to immediately stop. Second of all, in order for you to unban yourself, you just need to tap on the check your review status. And once you do that, a appeal form will open up where you'll need to be polite and include all of the details that you have, such as the information of you getting banned, and you'll also need to request your unban. Temporary bans are often warnings to stop the violation of the terms of service. So if you have got a temporary ban, there's no need to worry about. You just need to write a polite appeal in order for you to get unbanned inside of WhatsApp. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.